I'm Deborah. I am the biomonitoring project officer here in Samalas from Bristol Zoological Society.
I'm Fanny. I'm the reforestation project officer at Bristol Zoological Society in Madagascar.
My name's Catherine, and I'm the program lead for the Madagascar conservation program here at Bristol Zoological Society.
Hi, my name's Paige. I'm the conservation project manager for Bristol Zoological Society's Madagascar program.
I began my career in conservation because of my love of nature and wildlife, and I wanted to take my responsibility for my country too.
I got into conservation because I was immersed in nature as a young boy growing up in East Africa, and it was impossible not to be completely fascinated and passionate about nature. So that eventually led me into a career in wildlife, which then led into a career in conservation.
My journey with conservation began here at Bristol Zoological Society, where during my undergraduate degree I volunteered here as a volunteer mammal keeper, and over the next 10 years I progressed into an experienced mammal keeper and later a senior mammal keeper. These experiences, working firsthand with a variety of lemur species, deepened my appreciation for how these carefully managed breeding programs, research all contribute to meaningful ex situ conservation.
My job is linked to conservation because we take because of the remaining forest in Samalas National Park, and we try to restore all of the destroyed forest there.
My job is linked to conservation because we are assessing the distribution and density of lemurs, and here in Samalas there are two critically endangered species, the white black lemur and the Samalas sportive lemurs, and we know how to conserve them well and as well assess the threats inside of the forest by learning the distribution and density of these lemurs. We're in this area, the hotspot of these activities, and so we are trying to reduce this by our work.
I manage our biomonitoring project in Samalas and work closely with our field teams to coordinate the collection and analysis of data on things such as lemur presence, vegetation growth, environmental conditions, and human impact in the national park.
I'm proud to be working here at Bristol Zoo as an organisation who invests a great deal in conservation, and testament to that fact, our Madagascar program has been running for many, many years now, and we've achieved a great deal in that time.
Our plan is now to grow seedlings in our nursery, and we are planning to plant them at the rain season.
In our biomonitoring project, we do a lemur survey each month, both nocturnal and diurnal in both sites, Algarve and Ampoise in the national park, and we are planning to do that continuous work, and as well as this month on September it will be the white black lemur will give birth, so we will be assessing this data to see the female reproductivity of this species here.
For our project, I hope that we will achieve all of our goals. For the reforestation is to expand the forest cover in Samalas National Park as possible, and I hope too that wildlife in the local culture can live in peace there in Samalas.
My hope for the future of our conservation work is to really see the lemurs and the local communities around the national park here thrive. We'd like to see increases in the lemur numbers, in their populations, but also we would like to see benefits for local communities in the work that we offer here, and we would like to see more sustainable rice cultivation and ways to increase their livelihoods.
I'm really excited to look forward to the future where we envisage yet more reforestation, yet more habitat protected, yet more community members who are benefiting directly from conservation work that we do in the landscape, and finding out and filling in all of those knowledge gaps that today exist and prevent us from being able to do evidence-based conservation. In conservation more generally, we've never been at a bigger crisis point, really. It's never been more important to be a conservationist or to be pro-environmental or to be sustainability-minded. Climate and biodiversity are linked, they are interdependent, and they are related. And so to invest in nature is to invest in the climate, and to invest in the climate is to invest in our futures.
My hope for the future of conservation is that it becomes something that we feel increasingly empowered and able to contribute to and engage with, whether that's through more roles such as mine, delivering projects in areas like Madagascar, through training, providing support, sharing resources in rich biodiverse areas, or whether it's simply day-to-day recognising how our small actions and behaviours contribute overall to meaningful impact in conservation.
And I hope that the population of each lemur species here will increase and that the forest will remain and that everyone will be happy.
Yeah.